Good evening all. Myself, Dr. Mahesh G. Thambi, Senior Consultant Physician, Sri Sudhindra Medical Mission, Ernakulam. My topic of discussion today is understanding of hypertension. Hypertension is a common lifestyle disease. Globally, 26% of world's population has hypertension. It may go up to 29% by 2025. In India, the prevalence of hypertension was 29.8%. What exactly is high blood pressure and how to deal with it? Normally, blood pressure is 120/80 millimeter of mercury or lower than that. Everyone would like to have a normal or healthy blood pressure. What exactly is that? Every time when heart beats, it pumps blood into the blood vessels, creating an extra pressure. Every time when heart beats, it pumps blood into the blood vessels, which creates an extra pressure on the walls of the blood vessels. This is called blood pressure. Normally, there is a rise and fall in the blood pressure in a particular day. But when the blood pressure is persistently high over the normal blood pressure, it is called as hypertension. Many reasons for high blood pressure. One is unhealthy lifestyle choices, then unhealthy food habits. Other reasons are stress, obesity, family history of hypertension, increased salt intake, not taking proper intake of potassium in the diet, leading to high blood pressure and thus leading to kidney failure and stroke. Hypertension usually present without signs or symptoms. Such a way, it is an asymptomatic disease and it may lead to deadly complication. That is the reason why hypertension is called a silent killer. In some patients, it presents with symptoms like headache, giddiness, nausea, vomiting. Hypertensive patients or high blood pressure patients are affected by several diseases. It may affect almost organs. It may affect the brain, leading to cerebral hemorrhage, stroke. It may affect the eyes, leading to hypertensive retinopathy, and later stage into blindness. It affects the heart, leading to myocardial infarction or heart attacks, heart failure, and even to kidney failures. So it is very essential to detect the disease early and to treat accordingly. As I said earlier, the normal blood pressure is 120/80 millimeter of mercury. 120, the upper number indicates the systolic blood pressure and lower number indicates the diastolic blood pressure. The systolic blood pressure is the pressure in the blood vessels when heart contracts, and the diastolic blood pressure, the pressure in the blood vessels when heart rests between beats. When the blood pressure increases more than 140/90 millimeter of mercury, then we can term the person as a hypertensive person or it is hypertension. There are many risk factors associated with this high blood pressure. So it is always prevention is better than cure. The preventive measures to reduce blood pressures are the first lifestyle measures are first is exercise. It is very important to do daily exercise for at least 30 to 45 minutes a day, at least for 5 days a week. Cardiovascular exercise like walking, running, swimming or cycling can be done at least 30 to 40 minutes a day. It increases your blood circulation, it reduces your weight, it reduces your stress and reduces your blood pressure. Stress management is very important in keeping your blood pressure normal. And for that, ideally a 8 hours sleep a day, 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day is very essential. Practicing yoga is also very important in reducing stress. Other things to plan your a healthy diet in the management of hypertension. A dietary approach to the stop hypertension, which includes whole grains, vegetables, fruits, low saturated fats, low fatty milk products. All this helps in the dietary plan. Other thing is reduce your sodium intake in the diet. Look for the labels while you are taking food packets and take natural foods, because natural food contains less of sodium. Take less salt intake in your food. Don't add more salt in your food. Take more potassium in your diet. Also other thing is to stop smoking, which is very important, and check your blood pressure. Monitor your blood pressure even at your house is also very important as a preventive measure. At last, when your blood pressure is above 140/90 millimeter of mercury, then the doctor may suggest to start medication. Otherwise, it may lead into other severe complications. Adherence to medications is very important. You have to take the medications at the right time, right daily at the right time, and see your doctor at the right time instructed by the doctor. And last, let me conclude by saying that nothing more is precious than to lead a fit and healthy lifestyle. For leading a healthier lifestyle, you need to keep your blood pressure under control, and thus we can prevent from cardiovascular and other deadly complications. Thank you.